Have a good day everyone, and today we will see how to do layers export and import in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go layer properties, layer status manager, new, layer set 1. Okay, now go export file name, layer set 1, files of type layer status LAS. Okay, save, close. Okay, now go new drawing file, open, go layer properties, layer status manager, import, files of type, click here, layer status, select, layer set 1, select, open, restore status. Okay, layers are here. Again go existing drawing file, now add new layers, layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Okay, now go layer status manager, select layer set 1, update, click, yes, go edit, edit layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Okay, layer 3 select, delete, layer 2 select, delete, add layer 2 and 3, add. Okay, save. Okay, now select layer set 1, again export, file name layer set 1, files of type layer status LAS, save, replace it, yes. Okay, close. Again go new drawing file, go layer status manager, existing layer set 1, delete, yes, import, files of type, select, layer status, layer set 1, select, open, restore status. Okay, edit new layers. Okay, colors. Okay, line types. Okay, line weight. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.